Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create affiliate links on AliExpress Partner Portal. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in AliExpress Portal, I need you to click the register option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, let me tell you, as an affiliate, you can earn commissions on sales generated through your affiliate links because AliExpress offers a competitive commission rates, allowing it to earn money for driving traffic and sales to their platform. As we all know, AliExpress is known for its extensive range of products across various categories. It has a global customer base, which means affiliates can potentially reach customers worldwide. Now, for example, I'm gonna head over to my to the AliExpress. So you need a new tab for this. Now, for example, you wanted to promote a specific product. Let's say wanted to promote a humidifier in that particular item. Now, all I'm gonna do is you need to click the specific item. All right, click on that. Now, once you are here, I need you to copy the URL link right here. Click all of that and copy or copy clean link. It doesn't matter. Now, I need you to switch over to your AliExpress partner portal. All right. Now, once you are here, I need you to go to the tools and go to the link generator. What will happen is you would be able to put in the page URL, which is what we copied earlier. And of course, click the get tracking link button here. What will happen is you would be able to have this unique affiliate link that you can, of course, use it to promote any items in category. All I'm gonna do is copy that whenever you wanted to do it on social media, on your own marketing tools and resources to optimize the campaigns. All right, copy that link. Now, the next option that you can do is go again to the AliExpress shopping platform. Now, when you hover back to your AliExpress portals, as you can see, there are hot deals, higher commission, and featured products that you can, of course, choose from here. All right. Now, for example, if you wanted to earn more, obviously you need to go to the higher commission because, for example, I'm going to choose a specific product here. Maybe I'm going to choose the Mickey 3D hoodie, women's hoodie. Click on that. And what will happen is if you put an affiliate link in this specific product, obviously you'll get more commissions right here. You see? And then afterwards, all your earnings will be reflected in the AliExpress portal when you hover to the home. All right. So here is going to be your dashboard, your paid orders, paid estimated earnings, and the completed orders as well. You also have the completed estimated earnings that would reflect here. And of course, this is going to be the account overview. All right. In case you have like notification messages, warnings, and for example, violations and whatnot, you would be able to receive any notifications here. And again, you have the quick access to the link generator, the traffic report, and of course, the live report as well. All right. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.